going to be switching the largest industry and busiest industry on my layout. Lots of moves. It has its own dedicated switcher, plus some through trains, pickups and drop-offs from a local. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's get to it.
The first train of the day is actually a Norfolk Southern coal train out of southern West Virginia, using the Blue Ridge and Western Yadkin Division as a cut-through to get to the port in Morehead City on the North Carolina coast. This is a daily route that happens. Both Norfolk Southern and CSX have trackage rights on the Blue Ridge and Western, and that is actually a major revenue source of the Blue Ridge and Western. And now the coal train is heading past the area that we're going to be working at today. This is an OSB board plant, and it has a lot for us to do. Now, while we're waiting for this train to pass, I'm going to tell you real quick about our supporter of this video, trains.com. You can use the promo code JimmyDIY to get $10 off your order of $50 or more. There is a link in the description. You can check that out. Now, as the train completes passing, it reveals our main engine for the day, which is a EMD Jeep 15 of the Blue Ridge and Western livery, and it is going to be working this little yard today at the OSB board plant. It's a 3-track yard, and basically what it is you have all the chemical deliveries at the far end of the camera right now. Anything that's just a solid or a finished product goes in the middle, and then any sort of empty cars go on the track closest to you. Now, the car types here are tank cars, covered hoppers, box cars, wood chip hoppers, and also you will see flat cars delivered here as well. 1615 gets to work building the pickup train. It basically has to build everything and then shove it down onto a runaround track so that the local that's going to come through can pick it up. Now, before we can push this onto the siding where it needs to be picked up, we have to wait for the train that's on there now to clear, which is an extra out of the Winston-Salem yard hauling empty grain hoppers out to the Midwest to pick up grain. Now 1615 can grab the last set of cars and connect them all together and push them onto the runaround track. Once that is done, 1615 backs out of the way and waits for the drop-offs with the incoming local. the local's going to leave this cut of cars on the outside track just temporarily. We don't want to foul the main too long, but it's going to do that and then back up and grab the pickups and then continue on its journey. Now, because I was coupling on a curve, I did have to go in there and manually get these coupled together, which wasn't too difficult, just took a little finagling. And now the local can head out to its next stop. Now it was time to get to work. Now we have 3 cars on the front of this cut of cars that need to go to a transload facility that's not located here but is fairly close. So we're going to temporarily store these on the siding over here while we work the industry, and then they can be taken up to the transload facility later. Now the sorting can begin. The first thing we need to offload are these 4 wood chip hoppers. Next up, we need to grab the tank cars and put them next to the chemical tanks. Now, since the box cars are going to be the last thing that are loaded at the plant, we're going to stash those away until they are needed. And we did get a bit of a treat to end the day. We have the only C39-8 running on the Blue Ridge and Western right now, hauling up a set of empty hoppers back into the mountains to the mines and quarries to grab raw material to bring back down to customers in the central Piedmont of North Carolina.